there, friends! It's me, Milo! I'm so happy to see you today. I've got a brand new adventure waiting, but oh no! I think there's a problem at my favorite banana tree! Oh no! Look at this! My bridge to the banana tree is all broken! Wait, I have an idea! I can rebuild it with bamboo sticks! But I'm going to need help! Hey, Tina! My bridge is broken and I need bamboo sticks to fix it. Will you help me? Of course, Milo! But how many sticks do we need? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6! I'm on it!
Each gap needs 5 sticks, so that's 6 groups of 5 or 6 times 5. Do you know what 6 times 5 is? Let's count together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
We need 30 sticks! Benny, Kiki, we need your help. We need 30 bamboo sticks to fix the bridge. 30? That's a lot, Milo.
I know, but if we all work together, we can do it. Let's split up and meet back here. I've got 5.
Here's 10 more.
15 for me.
And I got 5? But wait, how do you flex 3 sticks? 30 them equally among 4 friends.
30 divided by 4, let's see. If we each take 7 sticks, that's 28.
And we've got 2 left over. What should we do? We can save them for later.
Smart thinking, Kiki.
Okay, team, let's do this. You hold it steady, Benny. Tina, can you tie that knot? Perfect! Kiki, pass me another stick. We're almost there. Yes! We built the last one! We did it! The bridge is fixed! High five, everybody! Now, who's ready for a banana party? I know I am. Thank you so much for helping me count and figure out the math. You're the best. Okay, here goes nothing. 1 step, 2 steps. Hey, it's holding. Come on, friends. The bananas are ways a rotten banana. Hey, that's not fair. You're already halfway there, Milo.
Look at these beautiful bananas. Sweet, yellow, and perfect for sharing. You know what? Everything tastes better when you work 3, 4, 5. Enough for everyone, plus some for later.
This is the life. Good friends, yummy food, and a bridge that won't wobble. You know, when I first saw that broken bridge, I thought I'd never taste these bananas. But then I remembered, asking for help makes everything possible. Friends, today we learned something important. 6 times 5 equals 30, and 30 divided by 4 is 7 with 2 left over. But more importantly, we learned that when we combine...
Let's promise to always help each other, no matter how big the challenge. Tina, you always bring the bright ideas. Benny, you bring the hard work. Kiki, you bring the clever solution. I'll bring, well, more math problems. Just kidding.
Thanks for being part of our adventure today, friends. Remember, math is everywhere, teamwork makes the dream work, and never be afraid to ask for help. Until next time, keep counting, keep exploring, and keep being awesome.
6 times 5 is 30. 30 divided by 4 is 7, remainder 2. And U divided by boredom equals fun when you learn with Milo. Subscribe for more jungle math adventures. Special thanks to you for watching. Subscribe for more jungle math adventures with Milo and friends. See you soon, Math Explorers!